Okay, hi everyone. I hope you are all fine. Yeah, today's question is based on simultaneous. Here, as you can see, they're saying solve the simultaneous by using both methods, which are three. We have elimination method, substitution method, and matrix method. And we have given the questions here. Question 1, which is saying 3 power x by 9 power y is equals to 1. And the 2 power 2x times 4 power y is equals to 1 over 8. This question, the first question, to me is one question. They want us to solve the simultaneously, and I think it will give us the same answers when we use the three methods. We are supposed to have the same answers. And the second question is saying 3x minus 4y is equals to 4, and the 6x plus y is equals to 26. And when we look at the second question, this is just direct question. There's no need of panicking ourselves for this one. No, but for the first question, as we can see, it has got powers. It means we are supposed first to to come up with the equation, the proper equation for simultaneous. And this is in indices form. So I'll say for this one, I'll say solution. So we'll say first number one question, which is 3x times 9y is equals to 1. So I'll start with the same equation first. I want to have a proper equation there whereby we have powers and the bases, and here we need to apply the rules of indices. Yes, so how are we going to have a proper equation for simultaneous here? As you can see, this is a smallest base, which is 3, and we have 9 here. So we need to reduce this to this. How? This is 3 power x times this, if you can say 3 power 2. This is same as this one. So it means this one is equals to this one. Then power y is equals to, then even this one will go we'll go give it a base, which is 3 again, which is 3 power 0. Any number power 0 is equals to 1. Here, as you can see, we have the same bases here. What are we going to do? We'll count the bases and we'll add the powers like this. Then it will be x plus 2y is equals to 0. And this is our equation 1. Okay. And this is the proper equation for simultaneous equation. We get another equation, which is 2 power 2x times 4y times 4 power y is equals to 1 over 8. Again, the same things we'll apply. We'll do the same steps which we did in first equation, which is 2x squared by, here again we'll put 2 power 2y is equals to, here to be 1 power negative 1. And then it will be like 2x times 2y is equals to 3, or 2 power 3 power negative 3. If we, okay, maybe I can explain a little bit here. Here, for us to have a base here, a base 2, to reduce this 8 to base 2, it means we need to say 2 power 3. So power 3 times negative here, it will give us a negative sign. Then, as you can see here, we have the same bases, base 2, and we are going to cancel this and add the powers. So we'll have 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 3. I think this is equation 2. So now we have been told that we need to solve this simultaneously into how many methods? Into 3. So here we can start with the substitution method. Substitution method will correct our equations. One we have x plus 2y is equals to 0, and the second one is 2x plus 2y is equals to negative 3. For substitution, we will choose one equation, like me, I will choose x plus 2y is equals to 0, and make x as the subject of the formula. So it will be x is equals to 2 is equals to negative 2y. Because this is 0, so we just forget about 0. Yeah, so when we make y as subject of the formula, it will give us x is equals to negative 2y. Then we'll get the second equation, which is 2x plus 2y is equals to 3. So what do I mean when I say make x as a subject of the formula? It means where there's x, we'll put negative 2y now. So it will be like 2 open negative 2y close plus 2y is equal to negative 3 in the second equation. We are going to replace where there's x, we'll put negative 2. Here we go. Then we'll have something like this. Then we'll multiply here. This 2 times negative 2y, it will be negative 4y plus 2y is equal to negative 3 here. As you can see here, it will give us like negative 2y is equal to negative 3. Then negative 2, negative 2, then they'll cancel, then y is equal to 3 over 2. You can leave this like this. Then we have come up with y there. So what are we going to do for us to find the value of x? We'll just get this one. Since we already made the subject of the formula, we'll say x is equal to negative 2y. It means where there is y, we'll put 3 over 2. And then it will be like negative 2 times 3. It will give us negative 6 over 2. It means our x is equals to 3. Negative 3, in fact. Then it means now for substitution method, we have known our values x. Therefore, x is equal to negative 3, y is equal to 3 over 2. Then you are done there. Now, since we are told that we need to also find for elimination. For elimination, we'll have the equation here, which is x plus 2y is equals to 0, and 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 3, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that's how it is. So for elimination, we'll say we'll have something like this. We'll exchange these words at the first word, where we'll get 2 put on the top equation, and the 1 here we'll put it in down there. Then since they have all the same signs, we'll give one the negative sign. Like I'll give you negative 2 here, and then I'll say this time this it will be negative 2x negative 4y is equals to 0. Here I have 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 3. As you can see, this plus this will add this now. This plus this is equals to 0, so they will cancel. When we come to this plus this to give us negative 2y is equals to negative 3. Then we do the division here, so that we remain with y. The y is equal to negative to 3 over 2. Y is equal to 3 over 2. Then for x, we can get any equation there. And also for me, I'll pick x plus 2y is equal to 0. Where there's y, I'll put 3 over 2 is equals to 0. Then our x is equals to 6 over 2 plus 0. I've done the items together there, and don't get confused. Then here, this one, it will go into 2, it will be 3 plus 0. Then here we have negative because I did the items together. Then x is equals to 3 negative 3. It means if you check these answers and the other from the substitution, you find that they are just the same. Then here we go for matrix method now. For matrix method, we have given the equation which is x plus 2y is equals to 0, 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 3. So it means here we have been given 1, 2, 2, 2. So our matrix will be like 1, 2, 2, 2 times x, y is equal to 0, negative 3, like this. We see there, right? Then from there now, what are we going to do? What we'll do here is that we need to find the inverse of a b is equals to x, y. What do I mean? Here, this will indicate as b, a x, b. Are we together? So they are saying that we need to find the inverse of a times b is equal to this. So what are we going to do first is we need to find the determinant of a and the inverse, then we multiply by b. How? You know that for determinant is equals to this time this minus this time this. So it will be like 1 times 2 minus 2 times 2. And then the determinant there is equals to 2 minus 4, which is negative 2. So what will be our, in fact we are not going to go in detail to inverse, but we just have that adjoint. So what do I mean here? What I mean here is that since we have this one, so for inverse we just say 1 over the determinant times the matrix, which is a. So it will be like 1 over negative 2 times this one. Now it will be like this will change. 1 will go down there and 2 will go on top. It will be like this. Then these, they will not change, but the signs will change. So it will be like this one to have negative 2 and this as well negative 2. Then this now times this one. It will be like this. Then is equal to x, y. Are we together there? Then for that we are going to do like we multiply this times this. So it means row by column. So it will be like 1 over negative 2 open, then this times this is equals to 0 plus negative 2 times negative 3, which is 6. Then we say negative 2 plus 0 times 0 is 0 plus negative 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Yes. Then here we do this is equals to x, y. Then here we go negative 1 over 2 there. This by this gives us 6. This it gives us negative 3. Then we do like this x, y. And then there you see that we have something like negative 1 over 2 times 6 to give us negative 6 over 2. Negative 1 over 2 times negative 3, it will give us something like 3 over 2. then it will have something like this. Yes, so here as you can see this, it will go into this, so it will have something like negative 3 over 2 is equal to y3. So when you see at this one, this automatically to give us like x is equal to negative 3 comma y is equal to 3 over 2. Compare these answers to those we found in elimination and substitution. You will find that they are just the same, so it means we have correct things. I think I'll give you another question as an example so that you try for yourself. When you are done with that question, you can send a message in the comment there so that I see how you did it. Again, if it's your first time to be on this channel, please subscribe so that you get in touch for a lot of lessons. Otherwise, love you guys. Take care. Bye.